Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church. Let's do a 2-pot crawfish boil for Father's Day. Well, we've done a lot of crawfish videos on this channel. Crawfish is very polarizing. Depending how you cook it. It's just like chili. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but anytime I put it out there, it gets a lot of topics. But crawfish was the first thing I started cooking outside, way before I started grilling and doing barbecue, so it's definitely a passion of mine. And I was at a friend's house, eating some barbecue, and he asked me how I cook my crawfish, and I was saying, I've evolved into this 2-pot method, something I did last year with Brad at the shed, and this friend just happens to be from Louisiana and knows quite a bit about crawfish, and he said, well, hey, why don't we do a video on it? With Father's Day coming up, get his dad in the video. And so you notice we're not in the Meat Church outdoor kitchen, so let me go ahead and bring that Louisiana friend in.
Matt, what's going on, brother?
What's up?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Of course. Looking forward to it.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, as you just said, being from Louisiana, eating crawfish all the time, anticipating the season every year, getting sad when it's ending. Person always that made them for me that I look to turn to. No better time to invite him, as you said, with Father's Day coming up. My father,
Gotta get him in
Dak
here.
Prescott. So Louisiana's here.
Did my mom lay this out? You look familiar. Pleased to meet you.
Good to meet you.
So, baby. Thank you.
Always.
Appreciate the invite.
This is special.
Oh, talking about something he and I do. We've done it with the team a few times, but like I said, being from Louisiana, we love to boil the bugs, man.
This is awesome. I'm sure
2
you
pot
do it all
though.
the
We've
time.
never done 2 pots.
Right.
Never done
actually,
2
never
pots. So
done 2 pot.
the single pot, normally people obviously dump everything in 1 pot, and obviously it works. The challenge with it is once they're cooked, you want to keep them from overcooking. So what do? Do you put ice in it? Which dilutes the seasoning? Do you cool the pot down? So a friend of mine at the shed in Ocean Springs, Mississippi, taught me this 2-pot method where you basically boil the crawfish. He does it in just clean water, which purges them. Mm-hmm. And then they go into a 140-degree soak pot filled with all the flavor.
Okay.
And I've done it, and it works great. And haven't done it since last year, so I figured we just kind of roll with it and see what we think.
Let's do it. Shout out Mississippi. Let's do it.
Exactly. Hey, he did go to Ole Miss. So
Hell State.
Yeah.
I lost him there.
yeah, exactly. Okay, well, I'm gonna start grabbing some stuff here. So let's see. So here's stuff for our soak pot, and then let me get some vegetables. Y'all gotta help me cut some stuff up.
Let's do it.
You got the knives up
I'll leave that to you and my father.
Okay, we need
I
to.
like to protect my hands.
That's
Yeah,
smart move.
yeah,
You stay over there.
Stay there, exactly.
Perfect.
Okay, let's just cut 6 of those in half.
Yeah.
6 of these. I can get on some of that too. Do that
I'm your
part.
sous chef.
So you got this going on.
You give me a time or two.
Here, I'll let you. These are for the flavor pot. Let's let you do them all. I'll work on some garlic.
Nice knife work, man.
Yeah, so you had those pods of garlic. Like I said, look, my mom would be so impressed.
All right, we're getting brownie points already. I've got a bunch of recipes, but I find you can just load up a whole bunch of this stuff, and there's a lot of latitude. You just want flavored water.
And this,
One way to say it.
Tell you what, Dak, you wanna let's get the flavor pot going while he's
Let's
cutting
do it,
this up.
let's do
So
it.
I did run these pots a little bit to get the water a little warm, but they're not where they need to be yet.
Fire them back up.
So let me cut this open. I don't know about you, but I like the dry and the liquid,
yes,
You gotta put both. The more the merrier.
especially on the first batch. Look at that.
Whole thing, right?
I don't know. You think we should try maybe half, or
Okay.
you want to go the whole thing? Yep, I'm gonna let you decide.
I'll go.
See, he
let me
likes
see.
spicy. Let's go half.
Okay. Gotta please everyone. You're right.
I do like to start a little more mild and heat it
Yes.
up, and that way you're
Heat it
serious
as it
eaters.
goes.
And then we can get it to
They can get it, kids.
that crazy temperature they like.
Exactly. I got some of these flavor boosters. This is a garlic, and I got a citrus one. You can dump those in there too. Those are tasty.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna start dropping these in.
Meat Church comes with it.
And throw the garlic in. We can put all this
Got
in.
your lemons and everything ready to
I
go.
usually squeeze these and drop them in.
Dropping them whole.
Cut them in half. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, I smell that pie. Oh, yes, indeed.
Already smells good.
Yeah. That's what my mom likes to say. There's nothing in there yet.
Yes, sir.
You gotta put butter in your crawfish boil.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I got
sir.
butter. How much?
So there's a right way and there's a wrong way, and
Let me
so
get some
far
butter.
you're proper. You're on it.
I'm okay
There
so far?
we go. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And you got real butter. Now
Got
you're
you.
talking grandma would make you proud.
All right, we gotta put those in. Oh, we got that
Forgot it. Don't forget any of it. You need it all.
Let's see. I think that's good. All right, so a lot of people just boil in clean water, but seasoning's cheap, so I think we put a bag of seasoning in it.
Yeah.
Why not? Why not? Why not?
Now you mentioned about you use the hot water basically to purge it. Are yours not purged prior to?
The crawfish that we got today are from Louisiana Crawfish Company, and he actually purged them for us, which was very nice of him.
Yeah, very much nice. Because we do that process too.
Fire that up. I called my man Justin at Louisiana Crawfish Company, and he said, I'm gonna harvest them on Monday. I'm gonna purge them in my equipment, and they were on my doorstep at 8:15 the next day.
Appreciate you, Justin. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Okay, we got to get this rolling. So we're gonna light this and go get the crawfish.
Let's do it.
All right, we got to put. I like to put the sausage and potatoes in before the crawfish. Y'all okay with that?
Yes, sir. Again, that's kind of how we do it too.
Perfect. Okay.
How many of our boils have you attended? Or Dak told you?
No.
Okay. Well, like I said, there's a right way and a wrong way, and so far you're right.
Okay. And the sausage we've got, normally we use like andouille sausage, but this is a whitetail deer my 11-year-old shot this year. It's really good sausage, so I smoked it this morning. I thought that'd be good in there.
Congrats. Proud of him.
I am too. It was like one of the best days of my life.
That's awesome.
All right. Let me cut these up real quick.
Oh, that's a good cut. So that's a butcher.
Oh yeah, nah, that's what he.
Look at that.
That cutting's easy for him. After a lot of briskets and this deer sausage is nothing.
Nothing. My wife isn't like a huge crawfish fan, so she goes hard on the sausage.
Yeah. Gotta have the extras. That thing right there. I might need to add a little bit more.
You think it's a little light?
No, I don't think it's light. It's a perfect first batch.
We can roll up on the
Then
second
we're
one.
gonna roll up, right?
You know, I'm embarrassed to admit to y'all, this is my first boil of the year I've never done because the crop was so bad.
Right.
I was
Oh, no,
telling
they
Dak
weren't
earlier,
bad.
I didn't want to pay $11.99 a pound for the crawfish.
And that was us.
We haven't done one.
Right. I said,
This is our first.
Normally
Oh, this is
we would have
awesome.
done 3
Yeah.
or 4 by now. That's what I'm saying.
Right, yeah.
This is our first this year.
Yeah, I'm
I've
gonna
been
be
there
another
a
one
couple
this
of
weekend.
times. Only been impressed
and
once.
we're disappointed. Yeah,
I've been
we were
impressed. Yeah.
disappointed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had them a couple times and we're not happy. So thank you
Okay,
again.
well here, oh no, thank you.
thank
All right, let me
you.
open this up.
About to take a bite of a raw
there's a
potato.
roller boil.
That's not that boil's hot.
Yeah, real hot.
I'm saying those go in there too.
All right, a little sausage. Well, these are gonna be spicy.
They gotta soak it up, huh? Might as well, right?
I'm already getting excited. Oh, you got in early?
That too. That
Changed his
smell
mind.
it just kept calling my name. Now you see why.
All right,
Going it back?
we're gonna go grab the crawfish. What do you think about these? They're already purged.
Oh, nice and clean.
Nice.
That's why we love them.
All right.
Pretty package. Usually purple.
Right.
It stands out.
Yep, that's true.
Yeah, so we got some. These are their. These are their selects.
Oh,
Not
that's not
bad.
bad.
Not bad
at all. Yeah.
And he
Yes,
also sent us some
indeed.
jumbos. So
Yeah, I can look at that paw right there and tell.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna be all
Good
right.
ones in there.
Running some of that.
There they go. They waking up.
They are waking up. I don't want them too awake.
No, it's not safe.
Catch them while they
In we
catch them
go.
before they start jumping.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
One usually escapes, but I don't think so this time.
Not a one.
We're just bring those to a boil. We're gonna kill the fire, move it over to the soak pot.
You get that on the side. I want all that.
Gotta have that. Yes, sir. That's the flavor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
So after I put the crawfish in, I normally throw in the extras or unique stuff. And my family always mushrooms.
Got to.
Cut these in half, they get nice and hot. But we've been adding asparagus and Brussels sprouts. They soak up that heat. So that's something I throw in. I've seen people throw in like hot dogs and cauliflower and all kinds of stuff.
Cauliflower, maybe never hot dogs. Now, I have something close to your Brussels sprout.
Yeah, what'd you bring?
That we've introduced. And it's cabbage.
Tell me about this.
And what it is, again, it's just your cabbage. We'll take it and we'll slice it open, but we wait until the very end of the boil.
Okay.
I mean, after every single crawfish has been boiled, and we'll cut it open and let that heat just soak it up. It's like a sponge. It'll soak up all the spices. Like Dak said, we usually make a cornbread or a potato salad because it's going to be spicy.
I bet. Okay, well then I'll dump mine in and we'll hold this until the soak pot.
Sounds
Let's do
good.
that.
Sounds good.
Sounds like a plan. That's a pretty pot.
Beautiful pot.
All right, the crawfish got to a boil. As soon as they boiled, we basically killed the fire. We've got our soak pot at 144 degrees. I turned the fire off. We're gonna just drain the crawfish out and move them over to the soak pot. The longer you leave them in the soak pot, the more flavor they're gonna get. And the benefit of in 140 degree water is you're not overcooking the crawfish. So let's check them out.
Let's do it.
Oh, look at that. Oh, man. That's beautiful.
I'm not
you
the
think you
strongest
can-
fellow. I'm like, you got any strong friends
I'm not that
around?
strong either. Got a couple of linemen over there. Brock? And the tough shorts.
You ready for a crawfish boy?
Yes, sir.
I'm Pops, right?
Nice to meet you, Brock.
Good to see you. See if those will fit. If not, we'll just towel it.
Hold it over that pot.
Just
All right, so
pick it straight up. Try to let it drain out.
A little more.
You keep
Keep on coming.
You feel the bottom when you get the bottom. It gets heavy.
Gotta let him out of workout tomorrow. Yeah, hold it right there for just a second. Let that drain out.
There.
Yeah, good, great.
Slowly. Same way you put them up, put them down.
Yep. Whenever you're ready, just
Yeah,
slowly drop it
I
in.
know, that's why we got you. You got
Oh,
it?
this
Nice,
dude, he
Brock.
made it too
Look at
easy,
this.
man.
Look at this.
Got our own crane system.
That's what I said.
Pushing the limits.
Thank you.
Watch out, Brock.
Oh, he's
Oh, it's
there.
gonna work. Look at that.
It's
That's
there.
perfect.
It's there?
Perfect.
These guys
cook.
It's sitting on onions. Remember, you got stuff on the bottom.
Oh, yeah, let's.
So it's
Which is
Perfect.
okay.
That's
Which is
good.
okay.
Let it
Yes,
soak.
sir.
All right.
Let it
Yeah.
soak.
Brother. All
Take some
right.
credit for this boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's handy. That's handy. Every crawfish boil I do, I'm gonna have to holler.
It's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's
All right.
what
Well, I'm gonna use just my instant read, and we'll just monitor this temp. You know, it's 150, kind of hot right now. It's because we put that hot crawfish in there, and if it were to dip, we'll light the fire. If not, we're just gonna let them soak. And again, the longer you let them soak, the more flavor
More
there is.
flavor.
While that's soaking, we throw in another batch in here. What?
Yeah. Let's
Yeah,
do
let's
it.
do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right.
10,
All right.
last.
We're gonna get more crawfish.
And I'm gonna go ahead and introduce our cabbage to our bowl, and we'll boil it for a couple of minutes, and then we'll introduce it to the rest of the crawfish, and we're good. Woo. Oh, I'm smelling.
I like
That
this.
smells like Dak, okay?
That's right.
Woo. Good Lord.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's all you want, just a wilt, and you know it's
And
cooked.
then we're gonna move it over, right?
Yes, sir. Look at there, look at there. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, chef.
All right. I think we're
Yeah,
gonna
if you want to look
slowly.
at that, mine have never looked that good.
Ah, that's not true. That's
I'm
not
honest
true.
enough to
That's not
admit it.
true.
Mine have never looked that good.
Sorry. I had to.
Let's see. We're gonna take it easy because they're.
Pretty corn. Oh, yes.
Ooh, that sausage down in there. Potatoes are coming.
Pretty corn. Oh my God, it's such a
What y'all
beautiful
think?
spread. I think you, man, again,
I gotta dive in.
Yeah,
Man,
I think it's beautiful.
You're late.
It
Look
is.
at here. Look how pretty that
Found a
is.
big one already.
Of course I would. It's part of Louisiana tradition.
Oh yeah.
That's what the flavor is.
Oh yeah. Well done.
You know what I love? I just flew right out, not
Well
overcooked.
done.
You know what I mean? Like
2 for 2.
not overcooked.
at
You
this.
just put, yeah.
I would ask them what they think, but they're quiet. So I think that speaks for
That's
itself.
probably
How's
good.
it
How's it back there, guys?
Good? Oh yeah. Don't forget that sausage in there.
I'm about to try that. You tried it yet? Is that what that was?
That was just, yeah.
How was it?
I gotta try the Brussels sprouts.
That's
New
Little
for me.
Sam's venison.
Tastes great.
So we'll see if he's a
Good
hit.
shot, Sam. Good shot.
Well, gentlemen, this has been a huge treat for me. Like, probably the coolest video we've ever done. So I got to thank you for asking me to do this. This was amazing.
Appreciate you. No, appreciate you, Matt, man. Appreciate you allowing me and my dad to
Man,
do
Father's
this together.
Day.
Both of you guys. I
was
mean, I
amazing.
couldn't ask for a better Father's
super
Day.
cool.
Man.
I mean, it's
Appreciate
awesome. Thank you. Did what we did, and you made it perfect.
This is a
Thank you,
treat
man.
right here.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You guys will let me
This
in
is awesome.
Louisiana. I mean, I know
Oh,
you're here now,
yeah.
but
You got a card.
Okay.
You got your card.
We're doing it together. We're doing it together for now.
I got a ticket going to Louisiana last year. I'm gonna hold that card up and say,
Prescott.
Prescott said I'm good.
I'm telling you, you'll be good.
You show them how good you make this, though. You won't get a ticket again.
okay, all right.
You won't get a ticket
I'm not
again.
above bribing them. Well, hey, if you guys like this video, like I always say, please like and subscribe. We got a guest pitmaster series I'll put at the end of this. You guys can check out all our guests that we've had come in, but this has been my favorite video we've ever done. So hope you guys try this at home. See you next time.
Thank you.
See you.
All right, good enough. We're gonna do then official. Yeah. All right, go ahead.